Yes.
Hi, this is the Kane video. This is all about me. Me. Now watch this silly Kane video. Bye. Okay.
Where'd you go? There you are.
Now this guy is going to go like this, and he's going to go.
Ouch.
Hi. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
You look like that drunk guy on the videos
Now.
in the gas station.
Hello. Now.
Hello.
Now who? Now this guy is scared. He's scared.
This guy is scared, okay? So that guy ran off, right?
Yes, that guy ran off. Now here's another video. Bye. Now watch this video as this stage goes up.
What's that supposed to be? A new video? Dancing or something?
No.
Is that the Canaan dance? Well, that's an interesting dance, I suppose.
Okay, now call CanaanVideos.com. It's good. Okay, everybody, bye.